So, what is our project about? Our project is concerned with the question where borders are made relevant for different mobile groups. And state borders or borders are in our case state borders, national borders, imperial borders, EU borders. And we assume that historically state borders have been important sorting mechanisms that help to order mobilities and that very much influence the mobility options that different groups have. So this is an important assumption of our project. And what we are doing is to be actually looking at a specific historical constellation. We are interested in the distinction between the EU's external and internal borders. And we basically ask, how was that distinction made relevant? How, was it put into practice in different local border situations? So we use a historical and a post-colonial approach in order to actually have a better understanding of this process. And we do so using mostly 3 case studies. All of them are French case studies. The first one is Marseille, so Mediterranean port city that played a really important role still in colonial times as port of arrival and port of departure for Algerian migrants and post-colonial migrants later on. We also are looking at Calais and the Eurotunnel. So Calais wasn't a really important border for many people, but became so for various reasons, and we are including Calais. And we're also looking at the German-French border, and so the border between 2 Schengen members, mostly looking at border situations close by Strasbourg. So these are the case studies we're looking at, and we also included post-colonial perspectives because we assume that many colonial practices and policies actually impacted on later forms of making borders relevant for different groups in different situations.